how to switch Instagram to a professional account. So if you want to switch your Instagram account to a professional account, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and then go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now here you need to go with account privacy and switch your account to a public account. Once you switch your account to a public account, you can go back, just reload your page, go with your settings and activity. Under that, you need to scroll all the way down and you will find account types and tools. Tap on it and then tap on switch to professional account under your account type. Tap on next, select a category, tap on switch to professional account, which is on the bottom, and select creator or business and go with next and tap on continue, and that's it. Your professional account has been set up. Now you can go with your profile. You can complete all of these steps in order to set up your account. So once you've set up, as you can see that you will have your professional dashboard and you will have your professional account. That's how you can switch your Instagram account to a professional account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.